Okay, so we're going to be converting to improper fractions in order to solve the subtraction problems. So the way we do that is we take the denominator and we multiply it by the whole number, and then we add the numerator. So in this case, it'll be 6 times 6, which is 36, plus 5 is 41. And it goes over the denominator, which was 6. Okay, so we've just renamed 6 and 5 6 as 41 6. Here we go through the same process. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. What's the denominator? In this case, it's 3. So I can quickly see here that this denominator 6 and this denominator 3, well, 3 is a factor of 6. So I can actually convert this 11/3 into sixths. And I do that by multiplying by 2. So that becomes a sixth, same as this one. So the denominator is now 6. But I've got to do the same to the top. And that makes it 22. Okay, so all of a sudden it becomes a lot easier because they are the same denominator. Lucky I spotted that. And then 41 minus 22. Oh, a bit of renaming here. 1 minus 2 I can't do, so I'll borrow from here to make that 11. That's 9. Aha, 19 over 6. That is an answer, but I could rename as a mixed number. How many times does 6 go into 19? Because this says 19 divided by 6, right? So that gives me 3 and 1/6. And that is even better as a final answer. Over here, let's go through this way. So 12 times 8, okay, so that's 96, plus 1 is 97. So big numbers we're talking here, that's going to make it awkward. Minus 7 times 5 is 35, plus 6 is 41. Again, big numbers, very awkward. Okay, so here the common denominator is going to be 84, isn't it? So 84 is our common denominator. So 7 times 97. Okay, so 97 times 7 is 49. 7 times 9 is 63. Plus 4, 67. Okay, so 6, 7, 9 minus. And on this side, it's 12 times 41. So 12 times 41. That's going to be 2. That's going to be 1. Finish with him. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. So it's going to be 2, 9, 4. Okay. 4, 9, 2. Okay, so what is going to be the answer of that? So let's minus 4, 9, 2. That's going to be 7. Have to borrow. That's going to be 8. 187. 187 divided by 84. Well, I'd say that's going to be about 2. So what is 84 times 2? That's 8. That's 16, right? So 187 minus 168 to get the remainder. So that's going to be 9, 1. So it's going to be 19. What's the denominator? 84. So the final answer is 2 and 19 over 84.